If you're new to Agopti as a retailer, this video is a great overview. What you might have already received as an email is an invitation to join Agopti. So whoever you use as your operator probably already signed you up. The email looks like this. It comes from noreply@agopti.com. You'll have a little link that says activate, and it will say who you're activating to join up with. So if you click on that, it will sign you in, it will accept it. You can give yourself a username, which I'll just do test retailer, and give yourself a password, and then confirm your password. And then you also have to put in your phone number. And then there's a few other optional fields, including a service area. So if you generally serve clients in a certain area, you can go ahead and put that in there. If not, it's totally optional, but for now I'll put that in there, and then you have to agree to the terms of service. If you click update profile, this one has already been taken. I'll put a different username in there. And then update profile. One more time. And I think now we'll be good to go. It says profile updated, and you'll see I have my username, password. It'll say who my operator is, and I can start doing inputs. The very first thing that you're going to want to do as a retailer is start filling out your crops, your pests, your agronomists. Each one of these have more detailed videos, but those are kind of the one-time inputs that you'll select when you're creating an order. So you're going to want to populate those the first time, and then once they're in forever. You can also go to your main overview screen, which this one, of course, is a new account, so we see there's no acres in any of the statuses. There's no fields or orders to be sprayed on my Google map. So I'll fast forward a little bit, and I'll go to another retailer account that has some more information populated in it. So this is, if you have some inputs already in and some orders already created, again, creating orders and doing inputs are in other videos. But your main screen, if you click on the Agopti symbol in the top left, will be kind of your overview. This is a great way to see the status of all of your orders, see anything that you have actionable items on, which would be releasing orders. For instance, order number 2 and order number 8, I did not auto-release them, so it's up to you as the retailer to actually say these fields are ready to be sprayed. I also get an overview of number of acres in each category, along with on the map I can click on each of these and go to the actual order itself and see everything else about the order. If I go back here, so you can also do some nice filters. So if you start having a lot of orders, you can start filtering the map by different crops, different agronomists. So if you're an agronomist logging in, you can see just the orders that you've submitted, and then also different statuses. In order to filter it, you just click filter map, and it will show you whatever you're asking for. So that's one great thing about having a retailer account, is you no longer have to call your operator to ask about status. You get real-time status right here. Once it's sprayed, once they say that it's sprayed, it will show up on your end as being sprayed. You can also easily look through any past orders. You can search for it by like producer name, field name, whatever you want. If I look at a sprayed order, so this one has been sprayed, if I click on it, I also get all of the information as far as when it was sprayed, the weather when it was sprayed, who sprayed it, and then if your operator uploads as applied data, You can also get the actual shape file, or see the polygons of where they actually sprayed. So you have all the data at your fingertips. Some other nice conveniences that you have is if you deliver products to your operator, it will automatically keep track of inventory. So your operator will say that you delivered a certain amount, and here it says I haven't delivered anything, but then and also nothing has been applied for the retailer products. You'll see the one that I had as being sprayed was an operator product. That's why we have amounts in the applied column here. And then outstanding is anything left to be sprayed, like that are orders that haven't been sprayed yet, what they will require to be sprayed. And then for your retailer products, right now I should, as a retailer, I should have brought about 10 gallons of headline in order to fulfill all of my orders. So you can really track just about all of your information regarding any of your orders. You can also do some end of the year or during the year export of data. You can export all of your orders to an Excel spreadsheet that you can do any data manipulation that you want. You can get a KML, which is a Google format of all your completed orders, along with a few other reports that are instantaneous, already populated for you reports. That's a pretty big overview of why Agopti is useful for you as a retailer, and also how it helps the operator. If you have any specific questions, you can go to some of the more specific videos, but I hope you enjoy using Agopti, and I hope you find it to be an easy, streamlined experience.